Alright guys, how are we doing? This is Lee's Diving and this is our Stick Olympics Challenge featuring Will Hallam.
Right guys.
Ben Sandbrook.
Hey up.
And James Denny. And last but not least, myself. Let's get it. Rules are, we're going to do 10 skills on the dry board. You got to land on the mat and stick it. If you stick it without moving, you get 3 points. If you take one step when you stick, you get 1 point. And if you completely fall over, you get 0 points. The winner with the most points will get an advantage going into the next round of our little competition today. After the first 3 rounds, I'm on what, 6 points?
Yeah. 4 points.
4 points?
4.
4?
3.
3 points, okay. That is 5 rounds down. We've done front. Now it's time for back. I am on 12 points. Will is on 5 points still. James, 5 points still.
Yeah, still on 4.
Okay, so I'm in the lead a little bit. It's fine. Oh, it's just yeah. Oh, he's. That was very short. Yeah! Exactly, all still to play for. It is the end of round 8. We've got 2 rounds to go, the most difficult ones, the backward double. The scores are 16.
What am I on? 12.
12?
Yeah. 11.
11. 14. Oh, 2 steps, unlucky lad. Ready boy.
I stuck this last time I did it.
Oh, fighting talk. Oh, Jimmy D.
What's it gonna be?
What's it gonna be? Unbelievable. Get in there. All right, 1 more round to go. That puts me on 19 points. 17 points.
12.
12 and 12. So the fight really is for who doesn't get last place. That's the exciting fight between these two right here. Between Ben and Will. He's never done this before. Good luck, mate. Oh, he's got it to one step. Oh, he's put his hands down. Those hands went down for sure. If we see on the official review. The hands definitely went down, unfortunately.
There was
for
some
Ben.
cheating involved.
A little bit of cheating. No. Here's the battle for the championship, for the win, for the bragging rights. James needs 3 points to go ahead of me. Here we go. Oh, he's down. I win by default without even having to do my last time. Yes, get in. There we go.
Oh, he's done it.
Disgrace.
Well played, Yona. With a dap.
That's how we do it. Okay, final challenge. We have a little, what would you call it? Agility course or?
Yeah, agility.
Is it agility?
A soft course.
Another agility course. So not on our hands this time. Oh, a little bit on our hands.
3, 2, 1, go.
Chatting. He's chatting. Under.
It's quick, it's quick.
Done.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's falling. Oh, he's... Come on, Yona! Come on, Yona! Oh, no! No! Oh, no!
Time is still going. 1, go. Down, go for it.
Easy. 3, 2, 1, go. Walking with his feet as well at the same time. That's insane.
Go on, Ben.
And our champion. And our champion. So unfortunately, due to the circumstances of my DNF, I have a forfeit in the pool. What did he say?
Nothing.
Okay, sure.
Wouldn't be appropriate for the camera.
Sure. This, kids, is why you should always be humble and modest in competition, because when you lose, you look like an idiot.
Ben loves it. How was that, Yona?
I was actually well scared.
Yeah, that was.
I was very, very scared. I have never moved my head so much in a tunnel.